Everybody say, say, how can I express
my gratitude
for all the many things?
all the many things you've done for me?
Words are not enough, yeah.
Enough to say thank you.
Say, Lord, you are my everything.
You're my everything.
How can I express my gratitude
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things?
all the many things you've done
Father, you
for
done
me?
for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
Say, Lord, you are,
Lord,
you
you're
are.
my everything.
Say, I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are.
You're my everything.
I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are. You
You're
are.
my everything.
Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya.
Moya matinina. Moya matinina.
Yeah.
Moya matinina.
Oh, uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh, say,
I call you
yeah.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William me round, come here. 1, 2, 3. I can breathe without you, say. I can move without you, Lord. Hey, who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can move without you, yeah. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Hey, we are mounting now. Oh, so oh yeah, oh yeah, so oh yeah, oh, Martin now, me oh, so oh yeah, Martin now, yeah, oh yeah, Martin now, hey.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
.340 or 077-127-61884.
Rainbow Radio live 92.4 FM and DAB Plus.
Rainbow Radio.
Yedi abruchiri aba Ghana. Yedi Ghana aba abruchiri.
Ampa Rainbow Radio yedi abruchiri ako Ghana ene yedi Ghana aba abruchiri. Anapai mamema wo achi na mensama wo afrishiapa na mema wo akwaba. Emra Rainbow Radio kasafidi kesi isu aha eye 92.4 FM. Anapai ade achi yene Uncle Ben boss nankasa ana anapai yebetwetwe nkomo. Sania emre na ko nanim nti mayense emre. Katire wunya no so nkankyere ne nua se papa atenase eno nti bia entwe na konwa emben ne radio no na ye ne papa entimi endi nkomo. Papa mepa wo chew mema wo achi esama wo akwaba eba ye dwumadie kesie yi so anapai erade edi acheyen.
Oh, Bishop, anope yeso yema akwaba yema wachen na anope die emsa sida de menyame se wetimi amaye asori ahumka yenyina ya behia ye de odo abom na anope michia yetifo wona wabeka ye ho wo Facebook, YouTube, BWF Solicitors website munyina yechiamo na I hope say anope dwuma yebedi no ebeboa obi anope bia na ya sorry a ade e wo ye ne so poten ne say den na obetimi aye na odi aboa community no enti ye hope say nema yebeboabu ani no ebetimi aboa obi na ono nso etimi aboa obi na ye nyina ye ho abaebae ti bishop anope ye bae a ya mba no bone so eye ahoto na anigye ene odo ana ye de bebo odom.
Papa sane papa kan no se obebua obi na obi nso abua obi na obi nso abua obi enokre enti wo hwe a ewiasem nyema nyina no ye nyina ye boaboa ye ho enti anopa yi ka kire unua bi ko Facebook no so na pemo so fa koma unua no wo boa na no ka kire ne se papa atenase e betwa nsem na gu edi ama ha eye Rainbow Radio International wo Manchester eye DAB Plus wo Mentin Kinsa DAB ubetumi anya ye live ewo Alexa ena wo landing so adi ye bi ni de ba bia wo bia wobetimi onsa kan ye wo ka mu eye 92.4 FM wo fie wo radio no wo fichire na wo damu a 92.4 anopai yankwaji update emfree papa ho ye the update ne ba na ye the topic no abeto awo so papa wadaroma anopai yanji update
Bishop, I'll pay the update wo e-visa. Say the kind no na say obia nkoso nye de owo ye na onsisi ne po na ebe ya say na ebe a nkrofo bebre an Russia nkoguso na no nso ankoso problem. Be na wetwe ne mehu say afi wo ye e-visa na ye do hye queue mu ade anka odi tuma patcho na nka edimu na bibia ya kama no sisi a na odi hye so a edi queue mu na mesrɛ mo moma memfa afutuo ma obia e-visa no wo de wo biometric residence permit a eguso a wonwie mesrɛ mo tie ne yie sɛ wo de wo biometric resident permit BRP no ɛno na usually yɛde yɛ wode gu so a wonwie wanya de agu so no a ɔma send wo email sɛ ɔma link wo e-visa no to wo biometric card no ɛwɔ sɛ wode wo passport a ɛyɛ Ghana passport anaa passport bi a wokura biara no wo san deɛ no nso gu so na ɛno no wokɔ wo account no ma ɛyɛ UKVI account na over left side now, or say update your details. So update your details, no click here and over call update your documents. Now with your phone, extra or Ghana passport no picture. Mr. and your PDF and your scan. And your JPEG. To try to photo now, you're sure so Ghana passport no will be able to say baby a umfoni wa ya line be cross bebree bi wo ho no ye sure say we try no complete any umfoni no we try na what they upload ama wo account no we di shema obe say call round sa or say wa document na wa upload no wa pass na emuma ye mmere kakra na ebepi 5 to 10 minutes on send us send email say omo update your documents so what to will be BRP no crack kene na what the Ghana passport ni shema obehu say ebeyi wo e-visa naba one year no a mesrel December no we see Ghana because ye nyina ye call Ghana December akodi Christmas so when you see Ghana and you know ya ka Ghana ye mbabio na munim say Ghana so de wonya koka na ehu adwuma ya ama wasaba no aya edin kakra eni siketua na ndema no enti muma mensi supi e-visa no wo de wo biometric card no ana permit no ya wonwie a first step awo so wo twa wo passport no photo na wo update wo details document section na wo de share wo de share ho wi ana afie bie mu na chesa wo passport no nso asisi ye 10 years no passport no eno ana wo de ko ba bia wo de ye adwuma wo de timi ye share code wo de ye bibia na de mehu ni se nkrofo bebre a omukra EU resident card wo de ani ye BRC asema American won ka ho bi wo no we EU ni bia ewo e-visa dada enane nansa yenua bema bi oba ono akopɛ ne ho asɛm akɔfekyerefekyere ne nneɛma ma ɔde EU card na akɔhyɛ e-visa nim afia ade na block me ya almost said na ade na block entina was ɔfrɛ home office for na ɔmo ɛfekyerefekyere nneɛma bi no mu yi no nti nsɛm a maka nyinaa EU for mo nka ho na mmom yɛ sure sɛ wo passport no ɛyɛ connected to BRC ɛwɔ EUSS wo pre-settle and our settle status no wodi bibia ahye EU for August sɛ aban ɛde update bi aba for EU for na first no nanka wo COA a ɛyɛ certificate of application nanka wotumi de tu kwan. But August yi ọma twerɛ sɛ wayɛ wɔ application under EU settled status na application no yɛnyɛ decision a ɔmo advice ne sɛ mentu kwan. Advice ɔmo de ma wo ne sɛ mentu kwan. However, yɛnyɛ wɔ issues with that because we have Article 18.3 of the withdrawal agreement na. Ɛse sɛ obi ɛwɔ kurom ha dada by the time a UK is free EU ni mu a na ɔwɔ COA a ɛwɔ sɛ otimi ɛde tu kwan. Sɛ application no pɛnde koraa na ɛwɔ sɛ otimi de tu kwan. Enti unfortunately no saa new updates no affecting nkurɔfoɔ bebree. Bɛyɛ bosome ni me clients nkɔlaa bi a ɔmo ne ɔmaame baa a ɔmo yɛ ɔsɛ ɔmo twa ɔmo ho akɔ Europe aba no ɔmo bɛduiɛ no home office for nyame nko a nka ɔmo san deɛ ɔmo kɔ back ama ɛno no yɛde yɛ brɔfo a yɛte ne mmerɛ nim a sɛbe yɛtumi akyerɛkyerɛ mu no yɛde too hɔ a mekan ɔmo agye atom sɛ ɔmo ntumi mfa ɔmo nkɔ ba ɔmo application a ɔmo hwɛ no ɔmbɛhwɛ enti yɛsrɛ mo time kɔ ti update ne deɛ yɛde bɛba ne video na megya ama prophet na ɔno nso questions ɔwɔ no anaasɛ main topic no yɛakɔ anim.
Mo papa yɛda wase anɔpa yi ɛyɛ a wobɛbue nneɛma ni so sei ɛma yɛ a na yɛn nso yɛ ho asisi yɛ ho anɔpa yi ka yɛ ho no sɛ ɛyɛ BWF solicitors ɛna anɔpa yi yɛne ɔmo ɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ sanea ɛyɛ a yɛawɔ da biara yɛyɛ no no anɔpa yi nso papa abie mu agu hɔ ɔde update no aba nti yɛnkɔfa ɛndɛ topic no mmerɛ na afi yɛmpagya no mfiri ɛhɔ na yɛde ɛndɛ topic no ɛreba no na mema wo nso ate aseɛ sɛ wohwehwɛ papa na wakɔ na tenaeɛ anaasɛ n'asoɛeɛ na yɛne no atumi akɔdi nkɔmmɔ ama nneɛma asisi so ama na yɛ kama fa open no ne memfa address no emfa mbro memfa address no mbro sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wɔnyera kwan de bia ne America ne sɛ Tesco car park hɔ deɛ ɛyɛ 90 minutes free enti ukɔ a na wapull in na wode ahyɛ hɔ kama ɛyɛ 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters Landing N15 4NP Landing N15 4NP na hwɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ ubuku appointment a telephone number no ɛyɛ 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 emergency number ufra Uncle Ben so direct papa ho ɛna ɛkɔ 077 127 61884 077 127 61884 BWF solicitors are your preferred community lawyers. Eno mo adisua ena nda no pay papa edi ebreyen na afe ye ko ene ye topic no so no me pacho fa me topic no ma me why ye ko ene ye topic no so no na me hye won kran aka kire wo se ka kire obisiani ni se ene papa tenase inti ombra or say avoiding common mistakes that lead to refusal and 10 years bound. Avoiding common mistakes that leads to refusal and 10 years bound. Enti ene ye bisa papa say na ye avoid mistakes ti say mistakes bi sense ɛdeɛn mistakes ɛna yɛyɛ a ɛbɛma yɛn anya refusal na ɔma bound yɛ for 10 years papa wadaroma
Bishop I'm sa topic way na deɛ nti a yɛde baeɛ no yɛtɛ hu nkrofo bebree wɔ community ne mu a ɔmo enya ban na ebi wɔ hɔ a na ɛnyɛ ɔno ne fault a first of all yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no general grounds for refusal first no na yɛfrɛ no 320 nti wote 320 pɛ na wo ho po na kyerɛ sɛ yɛba abɛtwe w'aso sɛsi a ɔmo de agu part 9 of the immigration rules 89.7.1 and then 9.8.1 de kɔ no ɛno na cover saa grounds no yɛfrɛ biribi misrepresentation anaasɛ wadane asɛm n'ani yɛfrɛ biribi deception ɛno sɛ watwa ntorɔ anaa wopɛ sɛ wosisi aban ana yɛfrɛ biribi in law no yɛfrɛ no innocent mistake na saa misrepresentation deception no nneɛma a esom a ɛno nti no yɛde twe w'aso no ɛyɛ biribi a yɛfrɛ no intention nti wadwempɔ sɛ wode biribi asi w'ani so sɛ wokɔyɛ na ade no wode ekosisi aban enti the first part a mepɛ sɛ obiara hu no sɛ nsɛm a mebɛkan ɛyɛ very common sɛ nkurɔfo bebree wɔ hɔ a ɔmoyɛ application a nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmonhwɛ the first one a mepɛ sɛ obiara hyɛ ne nso no sɛ woyɛ application ama UKBA anaa UKVI anaa Home Office Secretary of State no mmara no ma no ho kwan sɛ woyusu false documents woyusu deception woyusu misrepresentation ɛwɔ saa application no so anaasɛ saa false document and false representation wokɔyɛɛ ɛwɔ baabi foforɔ ɛnyɛ Home Office ma wayɛ wɔ baabi foforɔ ana woyusu saa de no ɛde aba abɛgye w'asetena wɔ Home Office a yɛtumi twom aso enti yɛhwɛ paragraph 9.7.1 ade a ɛka ne sɛ woyɛ application anaasɛ woyɛ biribi na wode bɛgye ɛhoma bi anaasɛ obi ɛboa wo na woyɛ application na wamma no kredi no daadi anaasɛ wamma wo documents no anyɛ genuine a anaasɛ woma false information a yɛbɛtumi ama wo application no yɛ refuse no saa paragraph yi sɛ wonim sɛ asɛm no a yɛatwerɛ no yɛ nokorɛ o sɛ wonim sɛ yɛ nokorɛ o yɛbɛ refuse o example wode application akɔma travel agent no ɛyɛ asetena ama wo travel agent no anaasɛ agent anaasɛ nipa a wɔboa wɔ ha yɛbisa sɛ wayɛ application bi akɔ UK da anaasɛ wayɛ application bi da wo sɛ daabi yɛbisa wo sɛ yɛ refuse wo application bi da wo sɛ daabi na wayɛ wode kɔ na ɔmo hu sɛ wo passport no nka wokɔ Italy ana yɛ refuse wo Italian visa nti si wo passport no ɛyɛ ntorɔ but ɛnyɛ wo na wofɛle application no but still no ɛyɛ ntorɔ nti because sɛ ɛyɛ ntorɔ no ɛyɛ automatic refusal however no ɛnyɛ ne nyinaa na ɛyɛ automatic refusal because sɛ ɛyɛ innocent mistake yɛmfa nsɛ ebi a yɛsi income ɛwɔ sɛ minya £29,000 na mekɔkyerɛw income no makɔkyerɛw 29,500 ɛnso me documents a mede kaa ho no ɛyɛ 28,000 ɔmbɛhu sɛ ɛyɛ innocent mistake no ayɛ enti ɛno no yɛntwe w'aso ɛmbaane wo but yɛbɛtwe w'aso in the sense that even within the law no won't qualify because we need 29,000 ade a mehu usually no a skilled worker COS for a student normally no omo ba ha nti COS for no ebia na obi ama no bank statement anaasɛ wama no certificate sɛ ɔnuse ɛmfa nyɛ na ɔno no deɛ ɔde an application akɔma saa agent no. Enti agent no ade a ɔyɛ no sɛ ɔno no ayɛ ɔne obi ayɛ bibi enti wayɛ application no. Wo a application no yɛ wo dea no wonim sɛ wo dea wakotua wo sika nti agent no na ɔhandle bibia. Sɛ agent no de saa bank statement no kɔ anaasɛ ɔde saa COS no kɔ na yɛma wo asetena na wobɛdu ha na within a few months and a few years aban no hu sɛ wo use false document bi a ɛno no so wombɛtwam ne aban no. Deɛ ɛyɛ common mistake a ɛno no a sometimes ɛyɛ menti aseɛ no sɛ woyɛ wo application under paragraph 9.7.3 no ɛyɛ identical ɛma 9.7.1 but ɛno no fa entry clearance no ho sɛ yɛde ama wo dada na woba kurom ha na yehu sɛ ade a yɛde ama wo no problem bi wɔ hɔ. Mamema wo example. Kofi Antobam apply for indefinite stay as a yere. Apply for indefinite stay no ɔsɛ ɔyɛ self-employed. The income no also declare 18.6 because what them 5 years into old style no. Now 18.6 no or the ahyɛ home office form no say 18.6. Anna need SA 302 Anna unaudited accounts no. Na accountant no show say the income no gross profit no 9,000. And so the home office forms and na accountant letter watchra man no actually say onya 18.6. And you be say saa no ontwa ntro nkyere home office but we twa ntro akyere HM revenue and customs because ordin application no ko a person application no di mu nti no wasesa evidence na ordin ma HM revenue and customs no abeye no sena o meet requirements. Yes, meaning say sometimes o file accounts or HM revenue and customs a chiro betimi akọ na wakọ amend no. But you're very careful because the critical issue is automatic refusal under deception. And it says that deception no although say in your home office now will deceive woman, will deceive another body. In the same way, so what the Ghana birth certificate, EBA, and now death certificate. Now, home office, after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, me no kase me will bear for the minimum. Now, you try say, ye be travel certain because you are checking with Ghana. Ghana for say with death certificate, and an answer with birth certificate, and yet genuine because it knew my records. So, enu bemwa naturally say critically no. You combine paragraph 9.8 and 9.81 and 9.87. Adi achira say when you use deception in a previous application. Although say nana yehu no. Omo call back na oma show application so. Enti omo hu bibi saa na. Under 9.8.7, 9.8.1 no. Omo kobaka ombitimi etwem. Na ade a mepɛ sɛ obiara hyɛ no nso ne sɛ saa ade a mabobɔ din a avoidable mistakes, deception, misrepresentation, inaccurate information, withholding information, not disclosing adequate information. Wobɛtumi asolve. Enti sɛ yɛbisa wo sɛ wowɔ conviction a driving offense, speeding offense, a penalty and your conviction. But for the purposes of the home office application, almost father say a conviction. Because here you can conviction will be in say wako court ama yebu for. Debbie, we a conviction for home office. Inti who speeding offense, or driving offense, or traffic offense. Ninyina I will say we declare. affect your application. But say when declare affect your application. 2. Mr. Yen dear your application. Untibrofo. The form no ebechero. Now you started from A to B. Akosia ama adwoa efua mansa. Number 1, correct na. Number 2, correct. Misremo Ghana for. Oh lawyer, enti na me de bra wo no. Misra wa hwemu mame, misremo. We nya wa hwemu mame asem. Se what the application ekoma lawyer bia. Ansa na lawyer no o de beko no. O fill forms na ma no mfa draft no mra. Ma lawyer no enye time ma wo. Na wo ne no na munkom. It may take you 30 minutes maximum. 20-30 pages. And yet 200 pages. Misremo. Because be a dekete. What do you want catching lawyer no there? But lawyer no mistake, you know. No so anhwe also anhwe na call you. E betimi adu dem. The enti e betimi adu dem ne say. Ono lawyer na obeso wasem no. Afa na obeso wasem. Also by 15 years ago. Yachi watum da. Ya serve notice sako Ghana da. Ana ukoshia bema bi. Ana ono woye. Ana obane ye British. Ana wejina bema no so. Sorry, obano so edi agi asetena. 12 years ago. Into ukoji indefinite. Now question na ye bisa say, have you been asked to leave the UK before? Lawyer no say no. Because as far as you're concerned, umfa bibia nkyere. But so what as a lawyer, anything I'm the bread or not. Now we na nkom na opushi ke na kwa. Home Office for why a misrepresentation. Enti a ban. Sorry, a refusal. And a ban, but a refusal. Na sa refusal na a misrepresentation. Although say a innocent mistake. You know. Case law says a lawyer a mistake. Wono affect you. Wontimi nka se me lawyer na ya mistake. Enti na yen ya application na obia be di adase. Ye de draft no braw obi wo a wo de koma na oh lawyer there be na mo there be misraw. Ye wo reason ti e de braw. Because when I also go through now approve application. Misraw. So what the documents a command lawyer? What the marriage certificate be akọ. Na lawyer na mu ehu mistake bi also. And I say onye Ghana ni into who Ghana customary marriage na onhu mistake no. But ansa na wo de beko no. Mo upload documents no. Lawyer bia sabe oya lawyer sabe or experience na qualification. E wo say o documents na o de aba no. One wo anya say ono nko a. Ono hwem. No oya sure say information na or de share application so no. And net or documents no ebobra. Enti o marriage certificate or see a check data or worry. 2 data or register a marriage certificate no. 3 address now ansana or worry because ni nyina egu marriage certificate no so statutory declaration a the kan so obi atwero ni din wo so say me na na wusu me ye akuatene wa eja into o papa but application also you bisa our parents name we British nationality what you din for na akoshe so but marriage certificate na we call home office da achi bi no so our marriage certificate bi no o papa din obi wo so say o ye wo papa obi nso wo so say o ye wo maame two no mmobra into then na obey the first thing I'm a person we say so wonye sure yes sir a subject access request je home office file ma ho time because it me check enti man twen ma aka 1 month no your application o say lawyer Mr. Oye adi mame na lawyer so o say me check it because nan say obi a oba ha no oni be ma bi ni oba na ba na sa be ma no o say omo ba say empena law no so nan say na ye introduce enti minim say there be agent na o ye ma o no e bia or the certificate controls on one country. Na mencha de e kwaje ne fa bae. Ampa na agent no de awareɛ certificate akoto so ama krakye a make waba ha be ware obi ɔno nso nim sɛ ɔba no ɔba no ɔno ne baa no ɔba no de na yɛ ne mpena kwa ɔma ware nso agent na ɔyɛ free Ghana no ɔde bibi ato so sɛ yɛ ne yere enti nke yɛ de application no call with the new marriage certificate awaware obi foforɔ a wanyɛ divorce because yɛyɛ nim deɛ wɔ hɔ but because yɛwɔ experience no nti no yɛkyerɛ ne sɛ daabi mpena no wontumi mfa mma ha saa ɛnyɛ possible mpena side no nansa na yɛ start enti yɛhwɛ mu no a yɛhu yɛ no na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛka kyerɛ nipa no sɛ o marriage certificate wei no ɛwɔ sɛ wonya ho divorce ansa na wayɛ now ade bi nso yɛfrɛ no document examination report na saa document examination report no anaasɛ document verification report no ɛyɛ DVR no ɛyɛ critical when the final one amedema sɛ home office troll ebi da m'anim a me no ka sɛ ebi na da m'anim a yi almost say dear so and so it's come to our attention that the birth certificate you use in support of your settlement application is a forged document. We've been notified by the Birth and Death Registry of Ghana that this document was not issued by them. This is a minded to letter providing you with opportunity to explain why we should not curtail your leave, cancel your leave, or revoke your settlement. Ohene, almost say, Ghana aban pesua bi aka kyerɛ almost say wo birth certificate no esi de bia. Ana death certificate na wo de buy no enye papa. Enti omo ba betwa wasetenanim. Mesra obibi say ne yetwa ma yɛsan ban ne 10 years. Yɛba betwa wasetenanim enti wo ho bibi ka ya mesra mensuro. The first thing I was aware no was a dear aban. Meda wase bebree sɛ watwerɛ me sɛ birth certificate na me de buy no ana death certificate no. Ghana for sɛ enye papa. Mesra me refer mo to mo document verification report guidance. Saa mo document verification report guidance a yɛfrɛ no DVR no. Ɛse sɛ moyɛ document verification checks a version 1 a ɛyɛ 12 December 2016 no. Ɔse ansa na wobɛyɛ decision no. Ɛwɔ sɛ wo supply me a copy of the report. Enti mo na mo se sɛ Ghana for sɛ me birth certificate na nya papa. Enti misra mo momfa document verification report no embrɛ me. In any event no mo minded to letter na mo de ma me no mama me 28 days. Misra mo because in law ye wo bibi a ye frɛ no equity. Equity no ɛkyerɛ sɛ bibi a woni me yɛ bia ye frɛ bibi fairness. Fairness ne kyerɛ sɛ wobɛbua me for a ɛwɔ sɛ nkontaa wopɛ sɛ mebu no wode document ɛkyerɛ me. In the same way Police and Criminal Evidence Act a yɛfrɛ no PACE ɛka sɛ wo charge me with offense bi a ɛwɔ sɛ wo ma me hu offense ko na wo kyerɛ me evidence ko a ɛkyerɛ sɛ ma commit saa offense no. Enti mehu sɛ wo letter ya wo de ba yi wamfa DVR anka ho. Enti me so me ma 28 days sɛ fa DVR no bra. Na wo de DVR no ba me amend me response ya me de ama wo until sɛ wo de DVR no ba ya no wo nyɛ fair enkyerɛ me. Sɛ wo so trouble we kɔma wo mo a sisi a no letter na ɔmo na ɔmo seɛ sɛ Ghana aban na ka kyerɛ wo no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo de ba. Deɛ mehu ni sɛ 99% Ghana aban entwerɛ letter bi ama wo. Ade ɔmo ayɛ ne sɛ ɔmo asoma British High Commission ama British High Commission afrɛ obi wɔ death and the birth registry echo to reference number no ama saa British High Commission nipa na atwerɛ note say oh almost say ade we ni omo system na ade ni omo system omo na omo de ma me enti so omo na omo de ma me na omo say ni omo system me na ma akofo je ade ayeden sa argument ya make case law sa case law 2019 court of appeal case ebaya enunti no aban no edesesa ne requirement for misrepresentation, false representation, and false documents. Sa ban ya ebaye under the case of your friend Balaji Gari 2019 Court of Appeal. Say aban ebebua for I was say ode evidence in the chiro. I was say obo koko normal mre. But saa di we die aban amma okoko aban amma omere enti wo watwere kɔ no se omu gyina so no mu di twa wasetene mu a ene wo tumi no because ade a omo ka ne ye nokre but law no efre bibi efre no all the pattern rule or say listen to the other side the right of hearing one man the right of hearing. And because someone mouth the right of hearing, no man provide evidence against you, no, bibi on be your way, questionable. But emunyina no, oh your application, you're careful, cannot cray, check your forms, show passport to Musa stamp be woman, show documents now what they come. Oh, so wom kai bibia, my lawyer, and your far in free home office. It is a wouldn't say bibi wa a bit me a hour. Men train my 1 month in due and send away your application. 6 months, 7 months, 8 months to the time. Lawyer, and I cry wow call home office website. Now the tomb, sir, and our subject access requester. Or fairly former. Now the documents, evidence of ID call, proof of address call, or document in the bro. I hope, sir, dear Yadiama and Nano, a bit me a boa will be. No, mum. Sɛ saa de bi ato a wonhu kwan yɛbɛyɛ video ɛbɛba bakɔyɛ website deɛ meka nyinaa no egu so na watumi ahwɛ brɔfo no meka baako brɔfo ana meka baako twi sɛ twi na wote a mesrɛ wo twerɛ twi na ma obi translating kɔ brɔfo ma because minim sɛ yɛ Ghana for dodoɔ na tumi kan twi bible ɛtwerɛ twi brɔfo no na ɔmu ntumi ntwerɛ wotwerɛ no twi a my lawyer and translating ko. Me read it, but me entro, but me read ya, metro brofum, naba. Se see me no okay. iPhone at the update aba. Obi a iPhone bia. Se brofo na eye we na untimi ntwa. Ye frɛ bibi ye friend of voice memo any. Sa voice memo no. O ye recording na o ka brofo a eno a betro letter na ma. A friend of transcription. A true letter no ma we are ubetimi use sa letter no e de aye email na what their support to application. Bishop and then we anamidi jamo.
Mo papa asɛm no nyina na wahwie agu hɔ amaye no we de na me bisa question bi ba wabɔ so kakra me sɛ wanko deep na me bisa sɛ obi akɔ situation mu a ebia wonim and the information ya wodi two way say obetimi I go back to challenge it enti wagya saa enti ono no oti wo say or train the 10 years ama band no aye over and sana watiki step na omo sa condition mu no is there any way I obetimi I go back no I call rectify the case no I catch home office say no I think say no my mistake inti monsamra back na mo mehwem na mo yi band ni mfiri me so obetimi aye ne saa
Yes, obetimi aye ban no na bear in mind say yeah the ban not also we need right of appeal but all right to judicial review. Judicial review no 90 days but you will trick be a use obetimi akamu biom to kamu no bo enhu say o trick bi na o trick yo no mo ya no mo kase da bi asem na ye kan ye gina so a new decision into 90 days no start bio we a trick am dey acha my lawyers trick shey you buto mo you use na mo nko say no bishop am kan say mi chiro enra fee waiver for a frame me dofo bi a me an application and ya no pay me sorry me who say o mama no fee waiver no na application no ebewu next year aka 6 months na setna na wu na ye an application for fee waiver na ntem ye no 2 months ago enra mo frame we dim nkomo mo ni di o say Mr. Wusu na ade a odi aba ntem yi so obema adwuma ye na obema na doso ada na won twɛn na 6 months no because ye bre ana me do fu nim mo anso na mo ye ama ye de ade ba ntem mi obi wo mo ho a edi 4 months enti we no na minim sɛ obɛyɛ no ntem enti wo so no ade no ba mo so mo hwɛ mu ntem na mo fa mmra de oka kyerɛ me ne sɛ de enti a delay wo ho no omo hu nkrofo bebree sɛ omo twa ntrɔkyerɛ mo so mo pay fee waiver na omo de buy time omo hu about 35% increase in fee waiver na omo hu sɛ saa nkrofo no nso no reason na omo dey apply for fee waiver no be omo apply on the basis of family life and our private life na kyerɛ no be hu sɛ omo assign your application omo akɔgye COS wonim ade a ka kyerɛ me topic here ya kan ho asɛm misrepresentation enti wo call home office akɔgye fee waiver no wonim sɛ anya fee waiver na wo kɔgye because we won't qualify for fee waiver because anya human rights application na wo ba bɛyɛ na wo pɛ sɛ wo buy time because obi a promise wo sɛ wo COS wɔ hɔ na ma ne bɛyɛ 2 months enti wo no wo de fee waiver no kɔ because fee waiver no ya wo ntua fee enti wonim sɛ bɛkɔ akɔ delay ba asɛm a maame no ka kyerɛ me no as to whether sɛ ɔmo bɛ use misrepresentation against you ɔmo anaasɛ ɔmo use no mo ma me wɔ ne yɛ community no mesrɛw fee waiver ɛyɛ for ɔmo a ɔmo yɛ human rights application private life family life wo a wo long residence wo a wo yere wo a wo kum wo a wo gyina wo ba so wo a wo gyina wo gya so ana ye fee waiver ama wo sɛ wonim sɛ wo pɛ sɛ wo to time for COS memfa wasɛm nkɔ fee waiver because maame a ɔka kyerɛ me no in fact call no one point transfer maame sɛ Sandra ɔsi home office for anɔpɛ ya me sorry sɛ si a anɔpɛ ya mehu sɛ ɔmo de fee waiver na ma me dɔfo no but ɔbɛyɛ an application within 10 days mesrɛ mo yɛnyɛ very careful mehu article bi by home office inspectors ni bi about fee waiver delay and reasons for delay no ɛyɛ nkrofo a ɔmo nim sɛ ɔmo qualify for fee waiver ɔmo nim sɛ nyɛ human rights na ɔmo yɛ and so ɔmo yɛ fee waiver to buy time misrepresentation 9.7.1 misrepresentation 9.8.1 mesramo yɛde wewa yɛbɛ refuse your application ɛne wo COS ni nyinaa ti moma yɛ nyinaa yɛnhyɛ no nso na yɛnyɛ very very careful nti bishop we kakra we na mpɛsɛ me di twam
papa emo wahwe nyi nyina gu ho so odu am meba kyɛw me ma wache ema wakɔ aba eba dwumadi so
yeah we dey so me ma wache no ho yɛ de
nyame ahyira me pa kyɛw ohene pagya o minimum kakra ma me
ba so to no kan
me pa kyɛw you yenko
we dey me bi chef my sister bi no ɔware ni na onya investment nke your mama no social card and other do resident card why you settlement maybe be so uncle ben say sa mi pasa sela onya you be sa maybe and I say uncle straight na uncle na passport details and uncle guso
ohene onhia e-visa mehu EU ni baako a this week oba wa lock the card no enti EU ni bia wo e-visa dada mo de ya start mo na mo de mo ye guinea pig ti mo na mo de mo ye try no o ma pass ade a wo se wo di guso ye wo new passport wonya di new passport no guso a ti me clients nyina mo beba ha no say yeah we no more the passport no go so I catch on say omo yeah share code omo use omo passport number instead of the BRP no my used to and your hene and no answer be updating the passport no also why
No, that's it. Okay. Thank you. Well,
ɛno ano no menua wode awie
well,
anɔpa yi yɛma wakwangya na bra line no so na wo ne papa ɛmɛdi nkɔmmɔ sanea aberɛ no aberɛ nyinaa yɛyɛ no no saa na ndɛ nso yɛatena ase na yɛde som yɛ community ɛyɛ 0208 133 4646 anaasɛ 0208 133 1134 woba so a mede wobɛma papa na papa ahwɛ wo nsɛm no mu nyinaa no ɔde ama wo pɛpɛɛpɛ na wobɛtumi afa yɛ WhatsApp line no nso so na wode aba on 0777 1950989 na yɛde wo asi papa office na watumi de nsɛm no nyinaa abrɛ wo pɛpɛɛpɛ anɔpa yi afe ɛna wode wafidie no to ha ha ɛyɛ Rainbow Radio mebakyɛ mema wakye ɛma wakɔ aba ɛba dwumadeɛ so
Eda masi me and the Uncle Benny and the bishop. Mishamo. Anyway, within the Dennis, the face to constraint. And the patrol with a no one send the Sakaka. Me settled me a true EU settlement basically. And the patrol me by misrepresentation application. Now Uncle Ben can be misrepresentation. I say, but maybe I'll say, Kesima Troll that say Kufiana. Maybe my application. You sure to be that question will be in there, but we need to show naturalization. But then because I say, Oma Troll with that mum, and yet almost 7 years, 8 years ago. In fact, my yes application now, the yes, what will be the bearing on the new citizenship application? I mean, I hope say it might not be any witty, will be ours, because I think that we've surpassed that process in a long time. So I don't know.
Okay, Ohene say yes, I was also say baby sa question. But see actually say Kofi na wan connect omama asetena afebo na say na unyi problem but we say we declare or say we dey share so always better say we nya sure declare affect your application and ya dey be affect no. And you're worried about it. Why?
You me that. Now me some bit of you.
Me bacho go declare why? Me van kwatite. Wo de kwatite asimbeto. Go declare. Bye bye. Me bacho wo ujina so no ma piki ujina so mame, jina so mame. Na nyesa enipa eni me beko. Hello lawyer, I am applying for disability living allowance for my British disabled child. DWP want to know the child's status. I gave them child passport number. DWP says they want father's details, British passport number or naturalization certificate, which I cannot get. We have divorce. I have indefinite. I have sole responsibility for the child. Advise how to reply DWP, please, Papa.
Me pa chao kacha na say reply na no ana watwere go. Nti ade a watwere go no. On cut on copy. Na unsiesie ho kakra na nsamfa nkoma ho. One.
No.
Our sole responsibility. 2. Oni akola no papa ejai oni details. And 3. Akola no omu bisa na passport or the amount. Ono maame no nso be sure so wasetena or the amount. Akola no papa ne life. Omu nim di nti akola no papa ne life. It may be domestic abuse. It may be papa na no mpɛ so be ba akola na life. Enti wo na de a wo watwere aba no. Watwere no mmra kwan mu. Enti wo kope na wo siesie ne kakra. What they call obetime de wow passport na akola no even passport copy kra ka ho na what they call no amoma hu say papa no unim baby o unim unim ne passport sabe anya de a unim enti menyɛ sure sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛbɛyɛ affect akwadaa no application.
Papa, in this case, sɛ also obesiesie no kakra bi ni sɛ kakra no ɔnhunu nsiesie a obetumi de aba na mo asiesie ama no na mo de akɔ.
Adeɛ a de biara mɛka no sɛ government council ɛwɔ free legal advice for nkurɔfoɔ to say a ɛyɛ ɔmo pɛ welfare benefit. Now yɛyɛ lawyers there, but me so me wɔ ɛhyɛ because me a community lawyer. Nti nye de biara mɛka sɛ fabra. Yes, sometimes yɛbɛka sɛ fabra na yɛnyɛ ma wo free. Yɛyɛ kyɛ nkurɔfoɔ de biara. But wokɔ Citizens Advice Bureau anaa wokɔ council hɔ a ɔmo wɔ advice voluntary anaasɛ charity lawyers a ɔmo yɛ charity. Ebi koraa wɔ hɔ a na ebi a wa qualify for legal aid. Wei ɛnyɛ adeɛ a wɔbɛ qualify. Ɔmo wɔ baako bi a nnora obi de brɛ me. Yɛfrɛ ɔmo Islington Law Center. Ana ɔmo nso ɛwɔ hɔ. Nti area bi a wɔ biara no, ebi a na ɔmo wɔ law center bi wɔ hɔ. Kɔ hɔ na ɔmo mmoa wo. Because minim baabi a wɔwɔ deɛ, you know, wopɛ sɛ wɔde ma yɛ ne ehwɛ mu a yɛbɛtumi ahwɛ mu. But sɛ na da de biara mɛka na yɛyɛ extremely busy. Nti yɛsɛ 5 minutes koraa ɛwɔ sɛ adeɛ a yɛyɛ na yɛ justify. But of course, wopɛ sɛ wobisa questions a wobɛtumi abisa na yɛahwɛ ama.
Papa, waka nye nyinaa twɛn me kakra mɛka biribi wɔ wei ho. Mepatwɔ mema wakye ɛma wakɔ aba ɛba dwumadie so.
Mepatwɔ megye wo so.
Ɔhema wadaroma yɛnkɔ.
Mepatwɔ me question is sɛ Sani not lawyer misleading of information. So when you ban or driving license so when you driving license so and sana ubenya license no somewhere 96 driving without a license 96 and sana ubabe unya license and no na won kai date na me patcho no so obey anything.
By then, now we use provisional license. Okay, all right. Okay.
Bibia wo ye bia won kai bia no. Twerade ne hye ho. Omu bisa date na ka se won kai date no. Bachelor. Say ya ban no driving da. When ya driving ban normally we nya 12 points itimi ban no. Ebi wo ho a wo mobile phone so itimi ban no and I fine no. Ni nyina no Mr. Chro, Obanya box B. Do you have any other information? Fashion our box and I explain it. Your cover letter count, Nakasa won't kai. But when you won't kai date, no, but ban say, why?
Me pato yama me 6 points and sana mi benya license ni 96 no. It's a no say oh yeah naturalization ya. And no be state was so ana me pato.
I'm a mpacho state. Why? Because wow, okay, I see a 6 points. Once I am out points, I fixed penalty, a conditional offer. Just bear in mind, sir, police for non commitment the work of court. Or man for one court, or more professor be settled no outside court. By a mile 6 points. 6 points, the more do normally 3 points than Kayama. See, about 6 points, they would do papa. I was so declare, but affect your application. Why?
My last question is why are you pen? I say, Monkai Dana Mowari na Oko Bisa subject access request. If Kasima me pacho ubenya sa information in review date nana.
Why are you kunupeng? Papa, also why are you kunupeng? And you couldn't to me.
Obi akoni fie.
Esidebia. Enti se form no mo fele no. So mo bisa date of marriage. Very likely says a partner spouse na original so a omabisa nti wo request subject access sa na ebeba Mr. Sa no sɛ wowɔ 2 3 4 files wɔ hɔ a ebi wɔ mo mfa no nyinaa mba nti you're very specific about year na open na ɔmo hwɛ no ɔmo fa mbra why
Me patro me dash.
okay
You say what are kunu pay next that's why you specific. Why?
Me patro.
I mean sure. Bye bye.
Um,
Wow. Me bacho me mawachi emu wakwaba ebe jumadi so. Once wa ware o yire pen ana. Me bacho me mawachi emu wakwaba o.
That's what me do so.
Bacho papa is you go.
Michelle Bishop, sorry.
Nana adaruma. Me joso.
Okay. Michelle Ben. Wait there. Masem say Madam Fubi or COS na say or switch it we should be a person why no. But nipa no can and do 29,000 but omutu di omu sika bom di ebe broke no be success still of it me and that's on be or banning kwa sika no more there and that's of it in sika ko ban di ho. And then my question. That's
ɔhene saa requirement na household income why it be sometimes grabi or wow backtrack ho nti yes ɔmo mmienu betimi di ɔmo sika bom why
yo me that's it. I'm sure.
that's it.
Yes, so yada wasi. Anapa yi yene papa energy akonwa BWF solicitors your preferred community lawyers. And then anapa yi na meka actually wo say wo ko akohwehwe papa a 4th floor and a house. Na 7 sisters tube station uduru ho a ubepie free exit 2. Upie free exit 2 a papa no building na wo wonsa wanim ho na pe na building no ayewo awa atu na se o drive na eba me pa chew o drive na eba menua ma PQ gina so mame se o drive na eba the nearest car park ube park ya wasum bejo eye Tesco car park hono owo privilege of 90 minutes with me park 90 minutes na ope postcode na N15 4NP na number ohwehwe 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters your 4th floor of Anna House contact details ubetimi afresi say no book appointment zo meti say Uncle Ben any bishop edin komo ewo Rainbow Radio me pese meni Uncle Ben edin komo na me be hunu 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 na wadru eho me pa cho me mawachi ema wakwaba ebadwumadi so anopai.
Hello, Bishop.
Yo, Bishop, listen to what I'm saying.
Oh,
Only
me pacho ma oba nan kasansa why me nim se apiki mienu ma oba nan kasansa oba nan kasa wi ana be manaba me pacho oba nan kasa ladies first
Bishop and I sing. I mean, I'm planning to be at the more the boy community. Me pacho, me person me visa lawyer say me bisa ba British passport me ba me ye onya 10 years na me ye man 5 years na say no ewu me ko we say onya 15 years me ko ya ye be man for 10 years ya na say be sa man 5 years
ɔhema nkola so yɛ under 18 na ɔmo nyinaa yɛ ma ɔmo 5 years why
me pacho okay it is say the onya 17 no me sa koye bi mu a 5 years na no me de be ma no
na be no 18
okay
okay
papa said that Ben will be 17
that will 15 to benya 16 March 16 obenya March
still ɔyɛ akɔla denti a ɛte saa ne sɛ ohwɛ growth teenagers enyin pa nti omo nim no sesa. And into na ya omo ya no 5 years.
Okay.
So that to say maybe say we travel to this year
Um,
the next 10 years cry no. Yes, many member akokra kakra but still be hu say me a. But nkola na de almost sesa too much and into na omo ya no sa.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes, actually. Me
Okay.
that. My confused. Na.
Me pa cho me nye confuse no ano no. No na papa aka na nkola no se bia na so aye tintin. Ne na so aye ti. Na nyame shira. Bye bye. Yema papa no kwan no so mra. Aja se aduru so. Wadaroma. Yema wakwaba ema wachi ebadwumadi so.
Yo, Bishop, me ma wone Uncle Ben so achi.
Mo.
Me da se. Ene akonya ode ama me se me musa masem. Uncle Ben me pacho my year e-visa. No. Bi. Na se me koswa de ba ye ekwaya me fa so de my application. Ene da omode asetena no ma me ni die. Nti se me screw kosro kakra na mfunyina me twa ye de ye eno no so aba. Na enam se me card no nko na me de ye ni nti no. Ise me koswa me hu akwaya me fa so me de me passport no so me update me passport no. Na me bisaw se obetima bo me kakra fa he na me kwa metimi de me passport no so aguso ifri se afia wie ye no se de mama yanya ne ntie se card no ba bi kwa be na me fa so a metimi de me passport no so aguso pacho ma se busa.
Yes, Bishop. Ye nua ba ya now ya ka kire me teenagers no teenage no. So me use the word teenage and at the age of 15 and from 16 day kono say obetimi anya 10-year passport but so your teenage there onya and 12 13 14 15 from 16 day kono onya consent reason tiana say because onya parental consent no omo ma no 10-year passport no from the age of 16 and say ne ba na di 16 na enye ono na o sign ama na o ma no consent o me ma no 10-year passport oyene say wokọ wo e-visa ne so a wokọ ba bia o see details documents update details o click documents o be ma option o de be update with documents no we try no photo na ekoso why enti ubetwa no photo na o de koso but o account no your sections bebree to call account no hwe ase a ubehun details ana ubehun documents sa document side no eho ana wasa wo upload no what you say
That's Uncle Ben.
yeah
Me that's me ko na ma kwa kwa.
Okay yeah
That's it.
Yo, order for anopai iguso di juma. Uncle Ben, me pa cho Pamela beba na.
Pamela wo ho enti wa ye krado a yeso ya ye krado Pamela
Ene me pa cho yemfa Pamela mra ye ba ni abefa last caller na kire say by 10:30 die ni ye pagya yemu.
yeah
Yeah.
Good morning, Bishop. Good morning, Mr. Wilson. Good morning to all our lovely viewers today. Today's topic is talking about avoiding common mistakes that leads to refusal and a 10 years ban. So there are general grounds for refusal under Part 9 of the immigration rules. These general grounds are found under 9.71 9.81. So we have three things under this part 9. We have misrepresentation, there is deception, and then there is innocent mistake. For misrepresentation and deception, what is looked out for is the intention behind the misrepresentation and the deception which is used in making an application. So when you are making an application, the Secretary of State has the authority to refuse your visa application if you use false documents, if you withhold information, if you use inaccurate information. So if you misrepresent your situation, or if you try to deceive the Home Office, if they find out, they will refuse that visa application. So if you also get a visa which is not from the Home Office, so there are some people who can get visas, it does not come from the Home Office, and then that's what they use to enter the country, or that's what they use to remain in the country. So if the Home Office finds that out as well, your leave or your entry clearance will be refused by the Home Office. So under paragraph 9.7.1, when you make an application and don't use genuine documents, or you lie on your application, you can be refused. It's not necessary that you knew that the information being entered in your application was false or not. For example, a lot of people give their applications to agents to do for them, and sometimes these agents put in information that are not accurate. For example, the agent probably does not know you have made a previous application which has been refused before. So when they ask the question, have you ever been refused an entry into the UK, or have you ever been refused a visa, they put there no, instead of declaring that yes, you have been refused a visa before, or you've been refused entry into a country before. That you probably don't even know that the agent puts such an answer for that question there, but it's not necessary that you know or you did not know. Your application may be refused by the Secretary of State. However, if in the circumstance you make an innocent mistake, the Secretary of State may not refuse your application, may not punish you because you did not use misrepresentation or deception. This is an innocent mistake you made. So you would still probably not meet the rules to get your leave. So you will still be refused. You may still be refused under the immigration rules, but you will not be punished by, getting the 10-year ban, because this was an innocent mistake. And that is quite very different from the misrepresentation and deception, because with the innocent mistake, you did not have the intention to deceive the Home Office or to provide false documents. So under 9.7.3 of Part 9, if you have applied for entry clearance and the Home Office finds out that you have submitted false documents, for example, your birth certificate is false, your application may also be refused. So there's also under 9.8.1 and 9.8.7, if you've submitted a false document, for example, a birth certificate, and then the Home Office later finds out that this document you used for your application is fake, they can come back and tell you they have cancelled your leave because they have found out that the document you used in submitting your application was a false document. So that is deception in a previous application. So if you use deception in a previous application, which is then found out by the Home Office later on, your leave can be cancelled. If you are also unsure of your information before you are making another application, so for example, your proof of addresses, maybe you've lived in maybe 5 different places and you cannot remember all of them, or there are certain information that your travel agent used in your previous application that you can't really remember, you can request your documents from the Home Office before making an application. This documents that you request from the Home Office, it's a subject access request. It would let the Home Office give you all the documents and the files they have on you, and then you can use that, you can read that and then use that to make your next application. But when you are making a subject access request, please note that it takes time, so allow yourself more time when you are going to make your next application. Do not wait for the last minute when you have to make your new application before you make a subject access request. Give yourself about maybe 6 months, 7 months, so that you can adequately have time to get that documents from the Home Office, go through it before making your application. There's also a document examination report and a document verification report that you can request from the Home Office. So in the situation where the Home Office comes to you and says, maybe, dear Mr. This, it has come to our attention that the birth certificate you used for your application was false. We have confirmed it from, the competent authorities in Ghana that they did not provide you with this birth certificate. You can write to them requesting this document verification report. You can ask them to give you a copy, which so that you can also make your decision from there. So be careful to check your documents, check the answers provided in your applications. Please make sure that when you are making an application or you give your application to someone to make it for you, you always look at the draft before you submit it. You always have to go through all the answers to make sure everything is accurate. Declare everything you have to declare. Make sure you provide genuine documents. Do not misrepresent anything. Do not try to use deception. Do not withhold information, because that could lead to a refusal of your application and possible 10 years ban. I hope this helps all of us. Have a great day. Thank you very much.
Pamela, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yenfa papa and Sambra. Me pacho, me ma watching, Emma Wakwaba, Ebedumadi, so we are last caller.
Good morning, no.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Bishop, and a good morning, Uncle Ben. But you know, I may be say, your Home Office application now almost be for 6 months bank statement. Does the 6 months count from? Okay, let's assume say, and then I may me application. Does a 6 months count from up to date, and it counts from 26th of August backwards.
Well, I hear say partner application, and I say any application maintenance requirement. 6 months in a year, 6 months a month before the application. In January 26th, or bank statement from 26th of August back. That's how you do it. And it's a bank statement, so I am more than last one, and it's more than 28 days before the application. So that's a yardstick. The last bank statement, that's and it's a more than 28 days before the application. Why?
Oh, okay. And about your last one, I'm going to be printing my passing online now to use for Home Office application.
Yes, be our online account, be our bank statement. You download the PDF and answer we a screenshot as a JPEG. Yes, in fact, now say almost prefer screenshot and a JPEG document, same PDF. I don't know why, but it seems as far as some are concerned, PDF and microphone to me forge it, but JPEG, some system bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmutumi hu sɛ forged document and anaasɛ nyɛ forged a nti wobɛtumi ayɛ screenshot nso why.
Okay.
Yo, ohene yenso yeda wasi. We die atiefo ahana no pai emrebe me kwan na yedi asi. Ye frɛ me Bishop Stanley Osebri Osei. 37 minutes past 10. Adwa saa ebo abo an ho de aba. Enti yemfa papa nsi ha. Nyame ya adoma da senne. Obeti yenka life encourage. Papa, padaroma, wenum asimu itwato na yemfa dwumadie no emra wiye.
Okay, Bishop, first of all, I'm saying Sanamekan will be per video now or call website, your website or Mumanya careful near Nuanamon Casa because will be abandoned for 10 years. I am mobile. I buy you be a dini DHs almost 1 year. I feel I'm say quite be a sebe nan in an episode becano. I feel I quite be. Timumanya very careful. I didn't so the Akikanya apply to Appendix FM. Timo amo Appendix FM no de maka na nyina by your video na be differentiate there a Appendix FM. Appendix FM your family. Any family application biara no niema ni bi intime affect no. Enti ye beja mo ha na dapɛn nso yɛhyia mo. Ɔkyena Eunice ɛne Charles, Friday Saturday nso yɛ Charles na yɛmenkyɛ adeɛ obiara yɛda mo ase. Bye bye.
Bye. Papa, nyame nhyira wo. Yɛda wo ase sɛ ɛnɛ wabue igya ama nneɛma akɔ kamakama pa ama yɛ. Nyame yɛ adom a yɛbɛkasa. Na sesei yɛsiesie ho for ayie no. Ɛno na sesei yɛbɔ so dendendenden. Papa, mɛfrɛ wo. Nyame nhyira wo. Bye bye.
This
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.